This is Dave C. This is Indiana Radio 267 live in Brownsburg, Indiana, with your early morning travel weather update. But first, this out of Clarksville, Tennessee. Damage from severe weather was evident in multiple locations in the northern part of Middle Tennessee and in south central Kentucky. The National Weather Service crews surveyed the damage and determined at least three EF2 tornadoes and two EF1 tornadoes touched down. The tornadoes came with severe weather that hit Saturday afternoon and night. National Weather Service officials in Nashville said an EF2 touched down in Clarksville with max wind speeds of 125 miles per hour. The tornado began on Dunbar Cave Road and continued on a 4.05-mile path ending on Kirkwood Road. The path was 300 yards wide. Two injuries were reported from that tornado. Initial reports stated those happened on Green Grove Way at a home that was destroyed. The extent of the victims' injuries had not been released. A second tornado was also confirmed in the Clarksville area. National Weather Service officials said a high-end EF1 tornado hit southwest of Clarksville near the Dottonsville community. The tornado began near Bradley A. Martin Road and ended near the Cumberland River. It had maximum wind speeds of 105 miles per hour. The tornado's path was 5.0 miles long and 150 yards wide. Major damage was reported in the Farmington subdivision, where multiple homes were damaged or destroyed. Homes were also leveled or damaged, and numerous trees knocked down in the Deepwood Trail and Sparkleberry Drive area, not far from the Cumberland River. A lot of windows and everything in the houses are actually broken, said Nicholas Morgan, a resident in the Farmington division. A lot of garages are kind of sucked in and damaged. The front of the house has fallen down on a lot of houses out there. Volunteers were out Sunday and Monday helping to begin the cleanup process. In Logan County, Kentucky, National Weather Service officials from Louisville confirmed an EF2 touchdown there. One fatality was reported from that storm. This tornado happened around 4:54 p.m. Saturday in the Keysburg area. It had maximum wind speeds of 135 miles per hour near the Tennessee-Kentucky state line on McGee Road, traveling north to Dot Road. A woman identified as 79-year-old Dallas Jane Combs was killed in the storm inside her home on Dot Road. One other injury was reported. The extent of that injury was not known. The tornado's path was 11.3 miles long and 400 yards wide, lasting at least 18 minutes. A fourth tornado that hit Hopkinsville, Kentucky, was also confirmed by the National Weather Service. Reports stated that this EF2 tornado had wind speeds up to 135 miles an hour. It traveled in a northeast direction from south of Hopkinsville to east of the city with a path 200 yards wide. This tornado lasted from around 8:44 p.m. till 8:51 p.m. An apartment complex in Hopkinsville had major damage following the storm. The fifth tornado was confirmed in Warren County, Kentucky. National Weather Service officials said the EF1 touched down on Hayes Pondsville Road, about 1 mile south of Hayes, before traveling northeast. The tornado had maximum wind speeds of 100 miles an hour. A sixth and seventh tornado touched down in Robertson County. One of them was an EF1 tornado that hit areas east of Adams in northwest Robertson County. So, feelings for those people that are affected. Hope they get back on their feet real quick. Our prayers are with them. Your current weather forecast for travelers in Clarksville, Tennessee, under clear skies, it is 38 degrees. It's going up to 66 today. Feels like 37 out. The winds are out of the east-southeast at 4. Humidity 76%. The sun rises at 6:23 a.m. and the sun will set in Clarksville at 5:42 p.m. on Wednesday, going up to a high of 64. On Thursday, high of 60. Today, mild with sunshine and patchy clouds. Low tonight dropping down to 52. If you're in Brownsburg, Pennsylvania, Brownsburg, Indiana, it's clear, 33 degrees, going up to 53 today. Feels like 35. The winds are out of the south-southeast at 4. Humidity 73%. Sunrise will be at 7:24 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:34 p.m. Just a reminder in Brownsburg of those road closures starting today. On Tuesday, looking for a high of 61, partly sunny, and on Wednesday, chance of showers, high of 54. So get that umbrella out on Wednesday. If your travels are taking you to Cleveland, it's clear, 41 degrees out, looking for a high of 45. Feels like 33 out. The winds are out of the south at 8 miles per hour. Humidity is 59%. Sunrise happens in Cleveland at 7:07 a.m. and the sun sets at 6:14 p.m. Your Tuesday weather high, looking at a 54, and on Wednesday, a high of 55. If you're heading up to Chicago, it's clear, 41 degrees. Feels like 34 out. Going up to 54 today. The winds are out of the south-southwest at 9 miles per hour. Humidity at a low 62%. Sunrise 6:31 a.m. Sunset 5:37 p.m. Tuesday looking for a high of 58 under partly cloudy skies. And on Wednesday, chance of showers and a high of 51. If you're headed to Gas City, Indiana, then it's clear, 35 degrees. Looking for that high of 52. Feels like it's 34 out. The winds are basically calm out of the north-northwest at 2 miles per hour. Humidity is low at 57%. Sunrise 7:21 a.m. and the sunset at 6:30 p.m. Your Tuesday weather, partly sunny, looking for a high of 59. Wednesday, chance of showers and a high of 54. If you're headed over to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, you have clear skies, 36 degrees, and looking for that high of 51 in the Berg today. Feels like it's 33 out. Winds are out of the west-southwest, basically calm at 4 miles per hour. Humidity 61%. Sunrise at 6:58 a.m. and the sun will set at 6:08 p.m. Partly cloudy on Tuesday, looking for that high of 51. And on Wednesday, chance of showers and a high of 56. If you're headed to Akron, Ohio, it's 30 degrees, going up to 58 today. Clear skies, feels like it's 36 out. The winds are calm at 2 miles per hour. Humidity 71%. Sunrise at 7:05 a.m. and the sun setting at 6:13. Tuesday high going up to 58, partially sunny. And again, in Akron, chance of rain moving in with a high of 57. So those winds are staying light across the region. Good day to get out today. Tomorrow, not maybe so good as rain tends to move back into most of our areas. So that's our travel weather update. This is Dave C. We're going to be back a little bit later with the Dave C. Show. You can catch us live on Indiana Radio 267/Brownsburg on YouTube and on Indiana Radio 267/Brownsburg on Facebook. This is Dave C. We'll be back with you a little bit later.